Nagluluksa ngayon ang pamilya ng TV host singer na si Karil dahil sa pagpanaw ng kanyang amang si Modesto Tatlong Hari. Si Modesto ay ang ex-husband ng nanay ni Karil na si Divine Diva Shasha Padilla. Ibinahagi ni Karil sa kanyang Instagram account noong August 11 ang malungkot na balita kalakip ang litrato na kuha sa burol ng ama sa Santuario de San Jose Parish sa Green Hills, San Juan. It is with profound sadness that I announce the passing of my dad, Papa M, Doc, Dr. M, Moy, Tito M. He was a beloved man who lived fully. Always a presence in a room, while also making sure everyone felt seen and heard. He too was always seen and heard with his handsome cute face, youthful forma and booming voice. Simulang pagbabahagi ni Karil sa kanyang ama. Patuloy pa niyang paglalarawan sa ama. He was a great guy, always brightening up people's days. A Baguio boy at heart and top-notcher at a dental board, he loved basketball and his no-look shot. He loved picnics and always had a neon pink frisbee and a basketball in the trunk of a liftback. It always needed to be a liftback so you could instantly turn any road trip into a cute picnic of some sort. His philosophy in life was that if your white rubber shoes weren't dirty enough, it meant you didn't play or have enough fun. He was always in for the fun, high attendance, and truly present in school events. Tito M was everyone's dream dad. I was always lucky cause he was my dad. Mensahe pa ng actress at singer. He will be missed. If you were one of his favorites, I'm sure you have enough memories and kwentos about him to make you feel like he's not too far away. There's likely also a photo of you that he took. Don't worry if you haven't received yours. It just means I haven't given it to you yet. His safe was filled with photos. He treasured the people he loved the most, and you've been kept safe in his heart of hearts. He had a lot of patience through the years. Bumping into them was like seeing old friends from school. He made a fuss about being called Lolo M. That was a great jumping point for his soul stick to play around with his suppose. He loved being their silly lolo. Paglalahad ni Karil. Naikwento rin niya ang tungkol sa isang pangyayari sa buhay ng kanyang tatay na hanggang ngayon ay nakaukit pa rin sa kanyang isipan. A Boy Scout who was supposed to be one of the street in the Jamboree Circle in Quezon City. I am grateful to Lolo Benny and Lola Telma for not allowing him to go to Jamboree despite him already having the funding from San Miguel where Lolo worked. It was a pretty great life extension, ani Karil. Ang tinutukoy niya ay ang pag-crash ng eroplano noong July 28, 1963 kung saan 24 miyembro ng Boy Scout of the Philippines na patungo sana sa Greece para sa 11 World Scout Jamboree ang nasawi. Patuloy pa ni Karil, it means so much to me that he saw my play 4 times. Little Shop of Horrors was our favorite movie and like him, a happy part of my childhood. It breaks my heart that I couldn't have spent more time with him. Bumuhos naman ang mensahe ng pakikiramay para sa Karil at sa kanyang pamilya mula sa netizens at mga kaibigang celebrities. Dearest Baby K, our deepest condolences on the passing of M. Mama will be with you ASAP. Stay strong, anak. You've been a source of nothing but pride and joy for both your papa and mama all your life. We love you so much, very much, Ninang. And I were among his many patients, and I remember him for how nice he was. May he rest in peace, and we send you hugs. And the tears come streaming down your face when you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone, but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Fix you, hang in there, Kay. Condolences, he's now in good hands. May his soul rest in peace. Ikinasal sina Modesto at Shasha noong 1980. Napawalang bisa ang kanilang kasal noong August 6, 2003. Naaprubahan naman ang annulment ng dating mag-asawa noong December 3, 2004. Naanal naman ang kanilang civil wedding noong July 13, 2009 at na-finalize noong December 17, 2010.